Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Jenkins latest version on Linux Mint 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Then click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions, Debian or Ubuntu, but I am on Linux Mint 22. Okay, open terminal, more/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian. Okay, then its Ubuntu code means noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. OS requirement match. Then other requirements, this minimal hardware requirements are there. Only the requirement is we must have the Java. So right click on this Java requirement, open link in new tab, go to here. See, we must have Java. See, these are the long-term support releases like 2.479 and supported Java versions are 17 or 21. First verify whether Java is installed or not. Java -version. See, Java is not installed. Okay, so download and install Java JDK 21 by going to oracle.com. Then click on products. See, here we have the Java. Click on it to download. Then click on download Java. See, here we have the Java JDK 25 and 21. If you want older versions, you need to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. So supported version for Jenkins is 21. So click on this JDK 21. Then select Linux. Then select 64-bit Debian package for Linux Mint 22. So click on this JDK 21 Debian package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 160 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, then go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the JDK 21 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then JDK, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version of the Java. Java-version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. Okay, so software requirement matched. Now go to Jenkins official website. Then go back, go to home. Then click on this Debian or Ubuntu. See, here we have the two versions: long-term support release and weekly release. Long-term support is the recommended version. So execute these commands one by one. First 2 lines is a single command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now run this command. Enter these 3 lines is a single command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Now install Jenkins. Sudo apt install Jenkins. See, it is downloading 95 megabytes. See, we are installing Jenkins version 2.528. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is installed and it is enabled and active and running. See, Jenkins is already installed, so no need to start or check the enable. Now perform the post installation steps. See, from here we have to perform the post installation steps. Okay, unlock Jenkins. So copy this command, open new tab, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to provide the administrator password. Go to this file. There you will find the initial administrator password. Okay, sudo more, paste it, hit enter. See, this is the initial admin password. Paste it, then click on continue. Not now. Now customize Jenkins. See, here we have two options: install suggested plugins and select plugins to install. I am going to install suggested plugins. Click on it to install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. After installation, we will perform the post installation steps. Also, see here the Jenkins version is 2.528. Now we have to create first admin user. I am giving username as Jenkins admin. Then set the password for this user. Remember this username and password. Later we need to log in. Confirm the same. Then provide full name Jenkins. This can be any. Then provide optionally email. Then provide the email ID. Then click on save and continue. Then click on save and finish. Now click on start using Jenkins. See, you have successfully connected. Here this is localhost. You can also connect by using loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1, port number 8000, port number 8080. Hit enter. See, you got the same login page. Now provide the username Jenkins. I have given Jenkins admin. Then provide the password. Then hit enter to login. So you got the same Jenkins dashboard. Okay. See, here we have the options to create new item, build history. Okay. And see, here if you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here configure cloud. Okay. Click on settings, that is manage Jenkins. See, here we have different options like tools. See, here we have the plugins. Go to plugins. See, these are, click on available plugins. See, these are the available plugins. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on here. See, these are the installed plugins. Then go back to again manage Jenkins. If you want to add nodes, click on this add nodes. And see here security. If you want to change the password, click on users. Then see, this is a user that we have created. If you want to create another user, click on create user. Or if you want to change the password of the currently logged in user, click on this Jenkins admin. Go to security. If you want to generate API token, you have to click on here. Then see, here we have to provide the new password and confirm the same confirm the password, and we have to click on save. Okay. I'm not going to change. If you want to log off, just click on this username. See, here we have the sign out option. Click on sign out. Again, if you want to log in, you have to go Jenkins admin. Then provide the password of this user. Now we'll see what will happen if we stop the Jenkins service. Now run the same command. This initial password will be gone once we log in. See, it is gone. Okay. That's why I asked you to remember the password. Now we'll see what will happen if we stop the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl start status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is stopped. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Even if you go to this localhost page, see, we are unable to connect. So Jenkins service must be up and running to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins service is started 2 seconds ago. Okay, Control A. Now reload this page. Now we got the login page. You can go to here. See, we got the login page. Okay. Now we'll verify the version of the Jenkins. Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.528. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version, that is 2.528 on Linux Mint operating system. Okay. For more Jenkins or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.